Hello to all students, I am Professor Masood Fuzail. Today we are going to discuss structure and function of median eye. There are different names used for median eye. Median eye is also known as parietal eye. Median eye is also known as third eye, and medial eye is also known as pineal eye because it is related to pineal glands in animals. So which animals do have parietal eye or median eye? There are three groups of animals which usually have median eye. Number one, fish. Not all the fish, but some fish like lamprey and sharks, they contain median eye. And amphibians, including frogs and toads, also contain median eye. In reptiles, tuatara, they also contain median eye. Usually animals have lateral eyes which are pair of eye which are used for purpose of vision, but this is a third eye present on the dorsal side of the body, just on the top of the midbrain. This eye originates from optic tectum, which is a part of midbrain. So I have shown this eye with the help of a diagram. As you can see, this is a diagram of a reptile. This is the lateral eye which is present on one side, the other is present on the other side of the head, and on the top of the head, right where midbrain is present, there is an eye which is known as median eye. To understand the structure and function of median eye, I have taken out the median eye and made a diagram for you. Median eye is usually covered by a thin layer of skin which is usually function as cornea. So this is the outermost skin present on the surface of the eye, which is cornea, which helps to absorb light. Just below the cornea there is a lens which helps to get the light, and just below the lens there is a lumen cavity, and below the lumen there is a part of the eye which is known as retina. There are many sensory neurons originate from retina which leads into brain for detection of light and dark period. As you know that usually vision is taken place in lateral eyes, but this third eye, pineal eye, parietal eye, median eye is used to detect light and dark period in different groups of animals. It is usually related with the pineal gland, and as you know that there are biological rhythms, circadian rhythms and circannual rhythms in which animals use to detect light period and dark period during different periods of their life. Sometimes they hibernate, sometimes they come in dark light, sometimes they come in dim light, sometimes bright light. So this eye except vision helps to detect the animal light and dark period during their lifestyle. So I hope this short lecture you have understood it. If you do, please like it, subscribe it and share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.